Hello, this is Lori White, Superintendent of the Sarasota County School System. In a couple of seconds, we'll begin a live telephone town hall with you and fellow parents to discuss issues facing our school district. So please, just stay on the line and join our live conversation.
Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the person who got on early on the 800 number to joining the call. We're going to be doing a live telephone town hall meeting. This is Sarasota County School District. We're going to be taking questions tonight. If you'd like electronic updates from the school district, 7 for electronic updates and 0 for questions. Caroline, we've got a couple hundred people already on the line listening and ready for you to talk, so go ahead, please.
All righty. On behalf of the Sarasota County School Board, I welcome you all to this first of hopefully many town hall meetings conducted via phone. I'm Caroline Zucker, Chair of the School Board, and with me are Lori White, the Superintendent, and Scott Limpy, our Chief Operating Officer.
Before we take our first question, we want to remind people that they can also get email updates from the school district. If you want email updates from the school district, we need your email address. You do that and give that to us by pressing 7. Press 7 on the keypad on your phone if you want electronic updates. Meanwhile, again, if you have a question, press 0 on the keypad on your phone. We have a lot of people standing in line. I'm going to stop talking and take Brittany. Brittany, welcome to our telephone town hall meeting we're having tonight. Brittany, go ahead with your question, please.
Hi, thank you for your time. My daughter started middle school this year, and I attended a PTO meeting last week, and I learned that the end-of-year testing for middle school is required to be online, and the students of the school had experienced the online testing the year before, and all of the adults in the room were really surprised that the students unanimously did not like it. And what everyone realized is that during the school year, the assessments are done through paper and pencil. And then when you have this high-stakes end-of-year assessment, it's in a technology that they're not familiar with or it may not work properly. And my question is, are there plans and resources available to train the teachers on the technology and implement this technology throughout the school year so when they get to that high-stakes exam, it's something that they're familiar with?
Thank you for your question, and the answer is yes, but the superintendent will expand on it.
Certainly, the amount of computer-based testing, which is every year is increasing, has been a challenge for both our teachers and our students. And you need to know that in 2 years, we will have totally online computer-based testing as required by the state for grades 3 through 11. That will be the first year of the testing of the new Common Core standards. But each year between that time, we are adding more grade levels. For example, this year will be the first year that we will actually be assessing in the elementary grades at the 5th grade level the mathematics. So it is correct. They are having in the middle schools, their reading testing is all done online. And we are looking at ways to give our students more experience with how they can be adept at doing those assessment items in a computer-based format. Certainly, our students have opportunities to work with computer-assisted instruction and with those pieces of software, but that may be a little different. I think your concern is legitimate, and it's something that we are looking seriously as we look at continued expansion of this area. As I said, in 2 years, we will have third graders faced with very high stakes testing. In fact, promotion to the next grade level is dependent on those tests at the third grade level, and eventually that will be computer-based assessment. That concerns us, and we agree with you. We have to find ways to better prepare both our students and our teachers. So I thank you for your question.
I also want to make sure that you're aware that all of this is being driven by the state. It's not something that we here in Sarasota County are pushing. It's being forced upon us by the state with insufficient revenues to be able to do all of the training and to have the bandwidth and the technology necessary in order to make this successful. So we would appreciate your joining with us and making sure that our legislators are aware that they are pushing way faster than the districts can keep up. And we're a good district here, and still it's a fight to keep up.
Let me take our first polling question, if we can, of the evening, and you get to vote on the keypad on your phone to do this. Here goes with the question. I am satisfied with the quality of instruction my students receive in the Sarasota County School District. If you strongly agree with that, press 1 on the keypad on your phone. If you just agree, press 2. Disagree, press 3. Strongly disagree, press 4. No opinion, press 5. We are running out of time. We allocated an hour for this call tonight. We're a little bit past it already. Before we wrap up, I wanted to remind people, if they had some questions, to leave a message at the end of this call. If you do leave us a voicemail, leave us your name, your phone number, and your email address. Who wants to start the wrap-up tonight?
I will. This is Caroline. I want to thank everyone for joining us this evening. It's our intent that at future town hall meetings, other board members will be engaging with you in this dialogue so that you'll get a flavor for the board members as well as for the topics and the interest that you have. And I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I can't thank you enough for joining us and being part of this dialogue.
Just want to thank you. This was a great way to have a town hall meeting and to be able to listen in, even though I didn't ask a question. I think that's a terrific way to do it. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I wanted to compliment the board for having this meeting in the first place. I think it's very intuitive and advanced technology to use such a means to have a town hall meeting. And furthermore, I wanted to compliment the responses from all of the board members. Thank you.